In this video, I will be bringing you through how we can annotate the sources. So I will show you a demonstration of how I annotate source C. Okay, so if we look at this source, we look at the provenance, we know that this source C is adapted from an article by this guy called Muhammad Imran Muhammad Taib. And who is he? He is a founding member of Left, Right, Center. Okay, so I would use my highlighter to highlight that. Okay, and what other information do you have? It tells you that it aims to promote awareness and participation on Singapore's social and religious issues. Okay, so that's something that I would want to take note of. Keep that in mind. Okay, so now let's look at the source. Okay, so but if we do not talk about casual racism, okay, so I mean this source is an abstract from a whole article. Okay, so the but if there kind of shows signals a change in his point. Okay, so if we do not talk about casual racism, so that's the point he's trying to make. Okay, then things like prejudices cannot be surfaced and corrected, and stereotypes will continue to shape how we see and think of those who are not like us. Okay, so that's all the elaboration that he has. And then he goes on to say that this will have lasting consequences. Okay, so that definitely already sounds very negative, right? So I will use another color, preferably say a red color, to put a negative sign there. Okay, so I know that this part of the paragraph is all talking about negative consequences, impact. Okay, then that's the first point. So if you look at the second paragraph, okay, he's kind of talking about something else now. So he's saying, in order for us to achieve genuine social cohesion, we need to provide the various safe spaces for what thing? For voices to be heard, and particularly for people from the most marginal and underrepresented in society. Okay, so then he talks about the goodwill committees, which are formed after the 1964 riots, have promoted healthy interactions across the ethnic divides. Okay, he also continues to say that he foresees a future where Singapore society will mature as we eventually develop a genuine tolerance. So that's something that he is hopeful about. So I would say that's something that's more positive. Okay, so then I'll use a green color and then put a positive sign there. Okay, so that is how we can annotate the source in about 2.5 minutes, very fast. Okay.